You guys, I accidentally turned it off, but so we're going to put the slime in there, and then dang,
Cause we're making fluffy slime
I already told them.
with house of shaving cream.
Oh no, my slime is going to be ruined probably.
You know you're gonna need more than that to make it fluffy. Like it takes a lot.
So you guys,
So it's becoming fluffy.
mine, I feel like mine is not going to work.
This is how you make it bigger. Adding fluffies. Making it fluffy. So
Oh, you guys, I forgot about my red slime.
we should totally make the red slime fluffy slime.
I am, but I'm going to wait.
Here, look. Okay, look. Touch mine. That's how your slime. That's how your fluffy slime's supposed to feel.
Wait, so you guys are
You want me to do it so it can come out like this?
No.
You're gonna do it?
Yep.
Don't mix it in with that one.
Why not?
Because that one's cotton candy slime and that one could be like strawberries.
Oh yeah. So
You sure you don't want me to do it?
I'm sure, but I just need a bowl. Because it's gonna get all over.
So here's the fluffy slime.
So I'm gonna just get a plate. Because
It feels so good. But
okay. Guys, I'm gonna turn it.
I wanted more
To me.
fluffy. Oh no, you have to use a bowl. Watch, here, I'll just start it off for you. And then you can fix
Here,
it.
you put it in your bowl. And then you can start it. You can do it. So
So you just, since this is a little slime, we're just gonna
sorry guys.
put like
Just like mix it for me because I have this line to finish up.
that much.
Now I need a lot. So you guys, my shaving cream is running out, I think.
Oh, stop, there's a lot in there.
Probably because my mom never uses this. Probably because she forgets about her shaving cream.
So, I'm just gonna keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. What did you make this slime with?
Tide.
Why is it like this? It's not like that one. See, because I'm doing this one the same, but it looks funny.
I put red food coloring in it. That's all I did, and I put glitter.
Yeah, the food coloring. I'm not sure if it mixes well with this. It's okay though. Oh no, here it goes. Yeah, it's starting to get fluffy.
This one is breaking apart.
My slime is about to fall in the sink. Yep, there it goes. Fluffy
Oh,
slime.
you guys.
See, now the red one's
This slime is not working.
now the red one's all fluffy. At least you still have the red one.
But you got that one, and that one is the best.
I guess I'm good at slime. And a Play-Doh. Go check out our Play-Doh video, by the way. It's good. There you go. Want it to be more fluffier?
Yes. Here.
Well, I'm gonna put this one on this plate.
Oh, for me, guys. For me.
Yeah, I'm about to say it takes time. Because you gotta knead it.
Ooh. Wait, let me see how mine is. Yeah, this is not fun. I have to do a lot of stuff.
So you're just gonna keep incorporating the shaving cream into the slime until it becomes a nice and
Soft
fluffy.
stuff. I don't even know who created slime or fluffy
See,
slime.
look, yours is getting super fluffy.
It's gonna turn into pink.
Oh yeah, instead of red.
I don't care. I wanted pink anyways, but it didn't work. So it just turned out to orange, and then I kept like playing with it, and then it turned into red. Now it's gonna turn into pink. So, you guys.
So her slime is coming along. At first I thought it wasn't gonna work because it was breaking up, but it looks like it's working. So you just want to keep playing with it in your hands.
So it can be like
squeezing it.
So it can be like Thalia's. My cousin, by the way, if I didn't mention it.
So get his hold that on and then ooh.
So we're probably going to do like a challenge. Not a 3 a.m. challenge, but at 3 a.m. I am going to make a 3 a.m. challenge. But just for right now, I'm not going to make it 3 a.m. I'm going to do a challenge, but
here is your fluffy slime.
Here, you touch it. Here, because I don't think this is right.
Did you mix them all together?
Yes. Oh, not the fell slime, but I mixed the regular ones together.
It's not supposed to be like that. Like, it's not supposed to break like that. Here, mix it up some more. Like, see, like when you go like that.
I know Talia's gonna keep hers. Hers is good.
Here, I'll help you. 'Cause you look like you're struggling, girl.
Okay.
No, you need a lot. Because yours is messed up. And you gotta fix it. This one turned out good though. See, you at least should have that one.
My hands are looking
if anything, you should just
like
mix
white
this one.
snowman.
If anything, you could just mix that one with this one. That'll really turn it pink.
Yeah.
Are you going to?
Yeah. But
okay, we gotta make sure. You gotta wait till that one gets dry.
I told them I was gonna make smoothie slimes.
So I'm gonna try to make my slime a little bit more fluffier.
So you guys, we are going to pause it until mine gets regular. So bye.
It's not gonna work.
So you guys want to I'm going to put this right here.
With her slime because her slime was failing, and so hopefully
I'm gonna put shaving cream and my Play-Doh because my Play-Doh is a fail. I don't like it. I want to see if it's gonna work.
So hers is actually coming together. We just gotta keep mixing and keep adding shaving cream.
If this actually works, I'm gonna be happy. But I don't think it is.
So just gonna add this shaving cream. Keep mixing and mixing.
It's gonna be a fail, and I wouldn't care at all.
Mixing.
Ew. Look at this disgusting Play-Doh. It smells weird.
It didn't even turn pink. It just turned like a lighter version of red. But at least it's fluffy now. And it's better than what you had, huh?
Yep. Okay, this is a fail. Not even soft.
Thick slime. I'm gonna add some more shaving cream to mine.
I'm gonna add a little bit more, that's all. And then I'm gonna be done with my stuff. And then I'm gonna, after we're done, we're going to do a challenge. I don't know what kind of challenge. We're gonna think about it. And then Talia's gonna eat her cereal. And we're going to be done because she's very hungry.
Okay, so there's a lot of shaving cream in this right now. But I covered it all up so you can't see. So I'm actually gonna squeeze it and a whole bunch of shaving cream should come out. I don't want to. It feels so soft when all the shaving cream's in the inside. Yep, and here it goes. Yep.
She squeezed it.
And all the shaving cream came out.
Yep, so we have to hurry up. So I'm gonna pause this. Bye.